little lightning link moon race. Oh, there we go. Right off the bat.
Ooh, good for you.
That's what we needed right away.
Go for it.
Okay, let's fill her up. I do have Dave's card and everything. I was lucky. Come on. Oh, $10. I'll take it. Give me some more. Come on, I saw another one go by. Find me the minor. Come on. Let's find some words. Come on.
Woo!
2 at once.
Going.
Yeah, let's fill her up.
Oh.
Come on. You don't want any dead spins. Last chance, I think, here. Come on, one more.
Oh, but $10?
Yeah, can't complete it. Yeah, exactly. I'm at low ball in here.
Oh, $7.50, $3.5. That's really good.
Yeah, that is. I'll take that for sure. Yeah. There you go. $41. That's what I'm talking about. That was fun. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Hey, that's $41 more than me.
Oh, you're in the bonus too.
Oh, what? Oh,
Woo!
good. Must be lucky.
Yes, there you go.
Thank you.
Now get the bonus and the bonus.
I hope I get a good spins.
Oh, get the ball. Or the chip. Come on.
Oh, good. I don't know what that means, but
You get more spin, I think.
oh, okay. Oh,
Yep.
okay. Yep.
There you go.
So far, I've only won $1.50. Oh my God.
Oh gosh.
Nothing. Oh, okay. Let's see what we
You
can
get
do.
some more spins.
We need some more spins this time.
Come on. Come on, 3 of them. There's some guys. Hey, you keep getting free spins.
That's great, but I can't get anything.
Yeah. There we go. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
That was pretty cool, guys. $15.
Good job. You are lucky. Good
Oh.
job.
I will take that, that's for sure. Let's fill her up.
Attention casino guests. Everyone plays an essential role in keeping Treasure
Come
Island
on.
safe. Guests
That
and
was
team
it.
members are reminded to wear a mask if you have not been vaccinated, maintain social distancing, wash your hands frequently, and most importantly,
$30 more,
stay home if you are
guys.
sick.
There you go.
Thank you for doing your part in keeping the island safe.
That was a fun hit on a book. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
$9.80, and I had how many spins?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Wow, that was crazy. Oh well. Better than losing it.
Yeah. A few free spins there.
Yeah.
Come on. The free spins this time. Oh, one more. Two
Oh
of
my
them.
gosh, look at this.
Oh my gosh, you got the minor in there.
Oh, that's frustrating.
Oh, I didn't even realize I got 3 of them.
Oh, wow.
Come on. What the heck? What the heck was that, guys? Come on, bonus in the bonus. Come on. 3 spins.
Oh, wow. Did you get there? Jeez, that's good.
Yeah, looks good. Come on. Oh, there's a mini. Come on. Oh, there I got the mini. That's $10. Come on.
Oh, man.
Okay, let's do it. Oh, $6. Alright, take it. Let's find some big balls. Let's find some more writing. Give me the minor, the major. $22.50, guys. Sweet. Last one, guys. Save it. There we go. That is sweet, guys. That's a nice one. $22.50. I haven't been $150 now, so. I will take it. This has been a pretty good machine for me here. Oh, I think I put. Oh, we're still in. I forgot we were in a free spin still. Come on. Get the bonus in the bonus again. Re-trigger. Sweet. Oh, we got some queens. Oh, that was $17.85. I didn't even let that go, guys. Look at that. trigger. Give me some more balls.
Well, good luck.
Yeah, thank you. You too. Yeah. Oh, 2 of them.
Hey, Chris.
Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. This is like the first machine I've actually done decent on.
I'll sit next to you.
Yes, do it. Some lady put money in there and didn't get anything, so now you get it.
What are you doing down here, winning?
Yes, I am actually.
Yeah, I'm going to take the card out. So we're going to put it in the live stream.
Okay.
What'd you put in there, 20?
Yes.
Nice.
Right? Yeah, I got a lot of bonuses on this one.
I don't even know where my card is.
I didn't even get one.
I got one the last time we were here. 2 weeks ago? Yeah, I lost it.
Yeah, I'm not
I was
good
a
at
little intoxicated.
Yeah, I heard that. That's alright.
It was a lot of fun.
You gotta do that. Oh, I'm in again, guys.
Jeez, again.
Yes, this is like the 3rd one I've gotten. And I got free spins once. Okay, now we want to see some words like the major on there. Come on.
Come on. Oh, there we go.
Come
That's
on.
nice.
Do it. 750 again. 750 again.
Yeah.
We like them big balls. Come on, don't stop now. There we go. Thank you. I think that was my last chance there, so let's get another one. There we go.
Come on, keep going.
Come on. Oh, the mini was just there. Only $10, but you know, I'll take it. $6. Oh, get to start over. Let's fill her up. It's time for that 1834 to come down, I think. That'd be fun. I'd probably have a heart attack. That's it, guys. I'll take that. Yeah, that was nice. 150 seems to be my spot for winning here. Yes, guys. We don't have these games where we play normally. So it's kind of fun. They have a maxed out jackpot or a major down there. That lady of just 2 down. They're trying to get on that one. But really, I gotta probably get off of it. So you're not getting all toasty pants this time?
No. I have a Scentsy thing I'm doing this weekend.
Oh, okay.
And it starts tomorrow, and I gotta be up at 9 with my mom. She's gonna come and help me.
Oh, sweet. Where do you have to? Where is it at?
In Little Canada.
Okay.
It's for Canadian Days.
Sweet.
So it's like their little town carnival thing, and
Oh, that'd be cool. You can't be hungover for that. Because your mom can help. Come on, let's do it again. This machine's just been crazy with bonuses here.
come on.
Come on.
Damn it.
These are wild. Get it.
There we go. That's it. All she wrote.
Oh, she wrote.
God. It like seriously, it's shedding. I just got done cleaning, so I'm like, I didn't even take a shower. Like I smell like bleach, so I
Smell
suppose it could be
clean.
worse.
For sure. 840 on that one, guys. I wonder if we can get anything on 250. Come
do it.
on. Oh, the another bonus
It's
symbol
right up there,
there.
isn't it? They moved already.
Oh, shoot. guys are in charge of the live stream. Uh-oh.
Alright, I'm gonna go see where they went.
Yeah.
I'll come back.
Yeah, I'll have to. I don't think they were gonna go far.
Yeah, probably not.
Come on.
I found them.
Okay. More. Oh, that was so nice. This is kind of out of my norm $5 spins, but look at those balls that are coming up, guys. Come on, look at those. No. We added it up. Oh, one more. Or I guess I needed 2 more tonight. There they are, right there. One more. 5 of them. I don't know what symbol it is. Might be alright. 948. One. Oh. Come on. One more. Come on. 3 more. That's all she wrote, guys. Bye.